Welcome to Product Critique, where we provide in-depth reviews of the best products out there. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at one of the top-rated solutions for your pet's eye care needs, the OcluVet Eye Drops for pets. If your dog is suffering from cataracts or other eye issues, these drops might just be the answer you've been looking for. Let's dive in. The OcluVet Eye Drops are specifically designed to support eye health in a variety of pets, including dogs, cats, birds, and even larger animals like horses and seals. These drops are particularly beneficial for pets experiencing cataracts, a common eye problem in older pets. The drops feature a scientifically backed formula with 2% N-acetyl L-carnosine, NAC, a clinically studied antioxidant known for its potential to improve vision and overall eye health. What makes OcluVet stand out is its unique blend of antioxidants, carefully selected to target eye health from every angle. These antioxidants help to protect the delicate tissues in the eyes and support their natural ability to heal. The product's formulation is all natural, free from harsh chemicals, and made with naturally occurring ingredients that are gentle on your pet's sensitive eyes. One of the key benefits of using OcluVet Eye Drops is that they are backed by scientific research. In fact, they have been featured in Veterinary Ophthalmology, a well-respected journal in the field. This means that the product has undergone rigorous testing and has shown promising results in clinical studies, making it a trusted choice for pet owners and veterinarians alike. Not only does this product aim to improve your pet's vision, but it also supports overall eye comfort. Whether your dog is dealing with cataracts or just general discomfort, these eye drops provide a soothing solution that can make a significant difference in their quality of life. And when it comes to quality, OcluVet has you covered. Made in the USA, these drops come in a convenient 16 ml bottle, which is perfect for long-term use. The small business aspect of the brand is another thing to love, as purchasing OcluVet helps support smaller companies that focus on providing effective, quality products for your pets. If you're looking for a safe, natural, and scientifically proven solution to support your pet's eye health, OcluVet Eye Drops could be the perfect addition to your pet care routine. These drops are designed to improve and maintain vision naturally, so you can rest easy knowing your pet is receiving top-notch care. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in learning more about OcluVet Eye Drops or purchasing a bottle for your furry friend, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.